Good morning ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2016 on a 16 plate Volkswagen Up. This is the Look Up limited edition model, 1 litre petrol, 5 doors, finished in pure white, and it's covered just 50,000 miles. So have a good walk round of this classy looking Volkswagen Up. They really do look a cut above the rivals, that's for sure. 2 owners from new, 50,000 miles, good service history, 5 stamps in the book, so really well maintained. You got these nice 15-inch alloy wheels that are in good shape. This is the Look Up limited edition model, so you got the black decals down the side, you've got Up, the word Up embossed into the seats. Just a couple of nice touches. You got the black wing mirrors as well. 5-door model, so you got that extra bit of practicality. And because it's a 16 plate, it still comes under the cheap tax bracket, so the tax is just £20 a year. So very cheap to run. Group 2 insurance as well, and obviously they go up to 50, so really cheap to run and insure. Perfect first cars, commuter tools, that sort of thing. Really nice condition all round. Certainly one of our best sellers, Volkswagen Ups. If you follow our page or follow the channel, you know we get through a lot of these. Interior in really good shape, seats etc. all good. You've got these cool backs to the seats, like I say, with the Up embossed into them. Cut off steering wheel. Nice level of trim as well. Remote central locking, does come with 2 remote keys. Electric front windows. And as we look inside, you've got your handbrake cup holder at the back there, 5-speed manual gearbox, then you've got a 12-volt socket, another cup holder, bit of storage and whatnot, and then up onto the dash, you've got this piano black finish, really easy to get along with. Of course, you've got your air conditioning, you've got your auxiliary input, CD player as well, and then the glove box there, you've got all your handbooks and bits and bobs. Doesn't get much easier to run and drive. Not a lot going on there. Big dials. Super straightforward. But they look great as well. 5-door model. So into the back again. Clean and tidy. Door cards and everything are all good. It's a 4-seater, so you get 2 seat belts in the back. With the ISOFIX as well for the child seats. And then these rear windows, they pop open. Got these little clips here. And then into the load space. This is where they come into their own, because they look a small car, but the boot spaces are really impressive. You've got split folding rear seats, parcel shelf, and then you've got this layer at the top. So obviously not much of a lip to negotiate if you just want to place things on there. Then you can take that out or move it up. Then you've got a really good sized boot underneath. And you think that's everything, and there's another layer again. Full size spare wheel. So there we go. All as it should be. 2016 on a 16 plate Volkswagen Up. Look Up model, 1 litre petrol manual, 50,000 miles from 2 owners with an impressive service history. £20 a year to tax. Finance is available from around £150 a month based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT. We'll also be replacing 2 tyres, along with 2 remote keys and our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us for our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups or specific technical specs, please do have a look at the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. Like I said before, always very popular cars with us, especially at this kind of price range, you know, a slightly older one. With the cheap tax as well, this one will be snapped up for sure. Thanks for watching.